Hi, you're at the Crown Brands booth at NRA 2016, and we're going to talk a little bit about Johnson Rose, which is one of our companies. Johnson Rose manufactures table bases and tabletops. One of the interesting parts of table bases is that if you look at the import market, a lot of the bases are smooth. That makes them very inconsistent. What we do is we do a textured base so that it hides scuff marks and it hides nicks. It also is a much better appearance of quality. We have what's called a two-piece base where the spider and the column are one piece. And therefore, all you have to do is assemble the base piece and it's done. It saves a huge amount of time and labor. Johnson Rose also has a very extensive line of stainless steel work tables. And what's important about a work table is how it's constructed underneath. Johnson Rose believes in welding it every 12 inches. Then they end weld it, then they sound deaden it, and then they silicone it. Every edge is fully hemmed, so you never have a burr, and that creates a really steady, really well-made table. If you put a mixer on a table that vibrates and you don't have it welded properly, the chances of those studs coming off is really high. So we try to eliminate that possibility. Johnson Rose also has a varied assortment of table shelves, single and double, that are extremely strong and fit extremely well. The last thing that Johnson Rose is going to talk about today are imported dish racks. So for the dish rack market, there are probably 12 pieces that make up about 85% of the market. What's nice about Johnson Rose racks are these extenders, which create the height, are removable, which means if your customer ever changes their service, they can be unclipped and removed. And that's a feature that hardly any manufacturer in this industry has. These are wonderful sellers and really well priced.